Hey everybody, this is Wendy. I'm so excited you're here with me today. I'm actually jumping on here to tell you how you can get $76 in product completely free. I know you're probably thinking too good to be true, and it's not. So starting tomorrow, January 3rd through March 31st, 2019, Stampin' Up! Is offering an amazing deal to anybody who purchases the starter kit. I'm going to talk more about that in a second, but first I want to show you what's going on. So you have two options. You can purchase the starter kit for $99 plus tax, free shipping, and you get to choose $175 in product. That's any product that you want out of a current catalog. So I wanted to kind of show you what $175 in product could look like. So here's what I chose. I chose the full collection of Regal's ink pads. That's $67.50. The Memento Tuxedo Black ink pad, because everybody needs that. A couple of packs of paper cardstock. I've got the white and then a needlepoint. My favorite bundle from the new catalog. And doesn't stop there. The Stampin' Up! Trimmer, which is the best trimmer I've ever used, and I'm not saying that just because I work for Stampin' Up! So all of that product would be $99 plus tax for you. That product actually totals $176.75. So you can see you get a lot of stuff. Now, if you already have a lot of the basic tools, you could obviously use that $175 to purchase, you know, all new stamp sets and framelits and stuff like that. I did misspeak earlier. I said this stuff totaled $176.75. It actually totaled $174.75. Sorry about that. Okay, so the other option is you can pay $129 plus tax, free shipping, and get this amazing tote bag. So I'm going to show you a little bit about the tote. You've got pockets here that will actually hold punches, which is really cool. I actually even have some glue dots in here. I've got a little zipper pouch here where I can store stuff and put stuff. The back has a nice big zipper pouch. There are short handles and a nice long handle. You get this really beautiful little tag on it also. And then the inside is like this, but it's optional because these come out. They're Velcroed in. So if you just wanted a big empty tote bag, you could totally use it that way. Or you can keep the separators in here and use the separators. It's totally up to you how you want to use it. So if you want to get the tote bag plus the $175 in product, the starter kit's $129 plus tax, again, free shipping. Now, the most common question I get when somebody is interested in purchasing the starter kit to get the amazing deal is, am I going to have to meet a minimum? I have two responses for that. The first response is, who cares? Why does it matter? It doesn't. So here's the deal. If you want to stay an active demonstrator, which just means you're basically a member, you get to purchase with a discount at 20%, then yes, you have to spend $300 or place orders through friends and family of $300 quarterly. However, a lot of people join and they purchase the starter kit and then they just kind of see how it goes. There's no Stampin' Up! Police that I know of that are going to show up at your door, knock it down, and drag you away if you don't meet a minimum. All that happens is you go back to being my customer. So there's really no risk for you. You get the awesome deal. You stay as long as you want. It's totally up to you. I am a no pressure girl. So I have about 85% of my team members who are part of my stamping community. I call them team members, who literally do this just as a hobby. They have no interest in owning a business or running a business, and that's completely fine. They want that 20% discount and they want to be in on all the fun things that my team does. So if you think being my customer is a great deal and you enjoy being my customer and you feel like I give you good customer service, being on my team is that much better. I really genuinely love these women. We have so far I don't have any dudes on my team, but maybe someday. So all of us have just come together across the United States and have really formed a bond. And it sounds silly because it's just paper and stamps, but it's so true. And we have the best time together. So we do a monthly event on Facebook Live where we're stamping and crafting and recognizing those who are doing this as a business and having fun and giving away prizes to anybody who participates. There's no qualification to participate in our prizes. We have bi-monthly challenges, so you can be involved in those, and they're crafty challenges, so again, not business related at all. We have an awesome tutorial bundle that you get free every month as part of my team. It's just a benefit of being on my team. Now, if you're not on my team, you have to purchase it or you have to order from me to get it for free. But if you're on my team, you get it every single month for free. And you can use it as you wish. And it's an amazing tutorial bundle. It's a PDF printable. You get 20% off all your Stampin' Up! Orders, so that's awesome. And then when you hit a certain level, if you stick with me, you get 25% off. So you kind of get like a 5% bonus later. We have lots of just fun things, giveaways, and lots of camaraderie and hanging out and doing fun things. And the best part to me is that there's no judgment, none, when you are purchasing 1 million stamp sets, or you have to get the tote bag, or you have to get another box to keep all your goodies in. All of us stampers kind of seem to have that in common, that we like organization too. So it's just a great place to be. So if you're interested in becoming a lovely stamper and you have more questions, certainly leave me a comment below or send me an email. If you know that you want to purchase the starter kit to get the deal, which is an amazing deal, $76 in product for free, then just go to the link below where it says join my team, click that link, fill out the form, and make sure you have your $175 worth of stuff ready to go so that you can enter it all in. That's it. That's all you have to do. And then you're part of my group and my exclusive Facebook group and all that fun stuff. If you are totally not interested whatsoever, that's okay too. Hang around, keep watching me on YouTube, and be part of my whatever. My YouTube, my blog. I love you no matter what. All right, so thanks so much for tuning in. And if you've watched all the way to the end of this video, I super appreciate you. And that tells me that you probably want to be part of my team. So click the link below. Talk to you later. Bye.